Welcome to Science Innovation with No Fair or Do I will show you 8 science experiments you show try at home. And by the way, if you are new to Science Innovation, do subscribe to never miss any experiment, dinosaur history, advanced technology updates and how it works.
This is not magic. This is a science experiment. Pour some alcohol on the sand. Pour the sugar soda mixture on top. Light it up, and you have the spectacular ancient pharaoh serpent. Pour a few drops of paint into the vegetable oil. Stir well. Pour it into the water. You'll have a beautiful waterfall of color. Keep sticking pencils in a bag filled with water. Even if you insert a lot of them, the bag will never leak. Suck a couple of magnets under the batteries. Put a copper coil on top. This is the power to rotate the wheels of the electric car. Soak the eggs in white vinegar. Wait until the surface is covered with bubbles. The egg will become a flexible, soft egg. Fill the bottle with water. Put the ping pong ball into the mouth of the bottle. Turn it upside down so the ping pong ball doesn't fall. Put ice cubes into vegetable oil. Melt the ice cubes like crystal pearls. Put the burning candlestick on a plate. Button a glass on top, and the water is swallowed into the glass. Fill the bottle with water. Cover the mouth of the bottle with a piece of toilet paper. Paper will seal the bottle.